Ako sa SJL, ako, bubungat lang na ko na. Ano na ko? Yung pa, ang suportaw kasi ko yaw sa tanang, pero as your GC Kimali, this is the time Kimali na mo. Ulit, kaya ko Kimali mo din na, kaya sa population. So, tanang welcome sa Kapuait Benito Moreno Beach Resort. So, nanatandaan ko ang buligatan. So, ang Pasko, gamay na ko yung counterpart, ang Pasko, delivery mo na. Kaya imo, wala sila na, dili, Miri ang Pasko. So, ang mamiri ang Pasko, abrayo mo kasi pasudlan si Kristo na naasay mo. Pisang-piso ay mo, pero Merry Pasko. Merry Christmas and welcome na itong panasal.
Thank you, bro. So next is the acknowledgement of the Sigma Gamma member of our by cluster. No other than Sis Annie S. Estumata, our GSL Secretary. A round of applause.
Oh, Mbak Maestra.
Okay, good afternoon. As we acknowledge for the members of AMDA, for the sweet South T-shirt and panke parang ka-uniform ko. Bro, hi, naninig kita. 1, 2, 3, o okay. Pagdada ng kutsilyo, may kutsilyo. Kapasa na.
Ano ba yan? Okay na? Okay na.
Pero kaso si Sam, ano na yung pinakalapagiyawan? Double X na?
XL na nga pero street siya daw, din may street.
Ah, straight.
Wala, may gundo ba dyan?
Basin ko na da kang bro, pasensya na ko.
Ay, large. Okay.
Suot naman tayo.
Ayaw, paabot ka rin sa ubos yan ito ah. Sigo yaman kay street sa bul.
Street siya. Sige na.
May street siya, may street.
Hindi na bro, suot na lang.
Sigo yaman.
Gamay ng lawas eh.
Igo mo gani itong
Kada ko itong balo, gamay ng lawas.
Iba lang yan. Bukwasan mo inak.
Sige na bro, tingin na lang.
Bago pa sa gulo. Iso, sigo sa wet. Na! Iton man.
Aba, Karmi.
Apatik na yaw, kayaw ka nga na. Wala nang titirang sila.
Ang likod.
Ito bro. Basta na.
Ito ba yan? Ligo.
Picture eh.
Ligo. Why? Ang lapid na kayo.
Oo, may lapit sa kutsab.
Okay.
Wari ko lapit para masigo kita sila.
Ano yung sa babayhay, gitago pa sa...
Makita na yan, bro.
Okay, let's go na. Ano na ikaw mo magwahit?
Uno sa ini.
What na ikaw ito pada kaya kasayang ka? Gini, o pasur ba?
Paso.
Kaya anong sayang ang presentation niya niyo?
Paso to, paso.
Mapay music, what ina?
Stop dance ini. Stop dance. Stop dance.
Ano, go! Okay, kagwahit, Johnson! Ganyan! Akin na! Kagwahit, o! Ayun! Okay, thank you so much, kagwahit! And now, Lulus, nandito kita sa Tandag Liner. Tandag, lead by Ma'am Nida. Sinasay. Marsha. Tandag kami. Tandag kami. Tandag kami.
member of the Sigma Gamma Lambda Fraternity and Sorority,
member of Sigma Gamma Lambda Fraternity,
solemnly swear to the best of my knowledge and ability that I will uphold the Constitution and laws of the organization, that I will protect the name and bring honor and dignity of Sigma Gamma Lambda,
that I will protect the name of bring the honor and dignity of Sigma Gamma Lambda and sorority,
and that I will support, maintain the unity,
and that I will support and maintain the unity,
service, and leadership
service and leadership
that characterize the organization
that characterize the organization,
to my brother and sister,
my brother and sisters,
to my school and my community,
my school and my community,
now and forever.
now and forever.
I stand my duty to perform,
I stand by duty to perform.
so help me God. So ang natasunod is STL Preamble. We, the members of the Sigma Gamma Lambda Fraternity and Sorority,
We, the members of the Sigma Gamma Lambda Fraternity,
establish common goals
establish common goals,
to promote lifetime brotherhood and sisterhood,
promote lifetime brotherhood and sisterhood,
to develop a spirit of cooperation and mutual understanding,
develop a spirit of cooperation and mutual understanding,
to promote the welfare of the school and community,
promote the welfare of the school and the community,
and to help one another become better citizens
to help one another become better citizens.
with the aid of our Almighty God.
With the aid of God,
We do hereby order